welcome to Simplify Our Home. And today I just want to show y'all how my peppers is growing. I mean, they are really growing. Oh my goodness. And this is just on my porch. And I just want y'all to see how the tomatoes is growing. I mean, they're so beautiful. If you haven't already started planting your tomatoes, this is the best time to put them out and let them start growing. I just appreciate y'all. I thank y'all for all that have subscribed to my channel. I thank y'all for all what y'all do. I'm going through a little thing with my knee. I had a total knee replacement, so I can't go and do a whole lot, but I thank God for what I can do. Y'all just be patient with me. I will be back with my home design and all of that, but right now I just want to show y'all how my garden look. Okay, y'all keep watching, and we'll see y'all in the next video. Take care. Love y'all. Bye bye.